Well, just got it. And I'm going to tell you, I'm very impressed. It's small, but with my old school Bose speakers, this thing is awesome. It is awesome. I just got to figure out the remote a little better. It's got a little cheap antenna, which that doesn't bother me none. It's easy setup, connects pretty good. Never mind the mess in the background. This is awesome. I can't believe it. I am so happy with this. Awesome.
It won't let me play and take a video at the same time. Bluetooth connected.